Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Hotstar Premium for free. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a hidden trick to unlock Hotstar Premium forever, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to permanently watch Hotstar Premium content for free. Premium movies, TV shows, and live sports require an eligible Hotstar subscription. However, depending on your country, some mobile carriers, broadband providers, or bundle services may include a Hotstar subscription with eligible plans. So you need to check with your service provider to see whether your current plan includes Hotstar access. You should also keep an eye on official Hotstar promotions, as limited time offers may occasionally be available for eligible users. And you need to avoid websites or apps claiming to provide free premium accounts or cracked versions of Hotstar, since they are often scams and may put your account or device at risk. So that was the truth about watching Hotstar Premium for free. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.